this is my problematic side. It's that long. You can tell I don't do this often. So it's time to update you guys on these edges. It's been 4 months since we started the Protect the Style challenge, so I think I'll use that opportunity to also update you on how my hair is doing. Personally, I feel like she's doing well, but let's see. I can't tell if my edges have grown or not. I've been laying them a little bit more than I want to admit. But here we are. Let's take this off. Yeah, this is real life. This is what we look like. I feel like I haven't really styled my hair in a little bit just because, why? I haven't left the house in several days, you guys. I don't go anywhere. Anywho, you didn't ask for all that. Edges. So, I don't know. Let's get into it. I feel like when your edges are just out and about like that, it looks worse than it really is. But this is this side. The very front, I never had any issues over here, so it is what it is. Although I think all of the layage that I've been doing have not been helping. And the other side, this is my problematic side. This is the side that I really wanted to pay attention to. And you'll have to tell me, be honest, don't lie to me. But I'm gonna go back anyway and do a little before and after shot so you guys will see. So this is what's going on over here. I feel like she's looking a little thin over here. Was that ever a problem? I don't know if it was a problem over here. I feel like I had a little bald spot somewhere in here, but I don't think I had issues down there. But anyways, we'll see. We'll see, girl. Let me just take my hair down. So yeah, my hair looks a little crazy, but you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to shower, moisturize my hair in the shower like I typically do. You guys know, hit it with some water, and then I'll be back. And I feel like my hair will just look better overall. Natural hair 100% looks better when it's moisturized. So I look insane, but in the next clip, I'm gonna be looking kind of cute. I'm back. We ended up just wetting our entire head. That's what we did. Water is key though. That's how I keep my hair growing, or that's how I retain my length, is by consistently getting my hair wet and moisturizing it. Anyway, so we're going to moisturize, but before I do that, I want to do a little length check situation. Let's see if our edges look a little bit better. Right? I just feel moisturized hair 100% looks better. When it's dry and she's all shrunken up, it just really looks worse than it is, I think. You guys can let me know if we made any progress. For the rest of my hair, I think I'm just going to untwist some twist and do a length check that way. I kind of don't feel like taking all of my hair out to do this because, you know, I'm a little lazy. It is 10 o'clock, it's 10:16, so cut me some slack, okay? So this is the front of my hair. We got some serious hang time. I'm really enjoying my hair journey at the moment. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really love it. I enjoy playing in her. She's growing, she's happy. We're in harmony right now. Front, there she is. She looking real long, girl, that bounce. Let's do the side over here. And I gotta like prop myself up for this one. Ooh, we're almost at bra strap. Let's do the other side to make sure. And then the very back. I have not. Just when I was talking about how we are in harmony, you just had to come and ruin it. You're embarrassing me in front of the people. It's just some shedded hair, you know? She don't even belong in here. That's what the back looks like. But let's do it from the back. I think that's how I did it the first time around, so we'll try that. Oh, girl, all this excuse me. Oh, I don't understand. My hair is all the way down. What? Wait, is that like a piece? No, it's my hair. It's that long? Oh my god. You can tell I don't do this often. It just sneaks up on you. Wow. You guys. Okay, this is me standing up. When did this happen? Okay. Anyway, so while I have you here, we are going to moisturize our hair because, you know, moisturizing is key. And my hair is already wet, so it's feeling really good. But I'm going to use this Super Milk Conditioning Hair Primer. So this is new. I haven't used this yet. Thank you, Lush, for sending it to me. It has almond milk, that soften your hair, oat milk that calms your scalp, lemon juice that boosts shine. I'm gonna read it off the website. If you need a little hydration, wash and condition your hair like normal in the shower, then hop out and spread this small amount of this concentrated conditioner to give your mane a moisture boost. A dairy-free blend of almond, coconut, and oat milk give a hit of smoothing, soothing softness, while fresh lemon juice adds shine, and extra virgin olive oil nourishes and protects. This also works as a wonderful way to refresh next day waves, curls, and coils. So this is a new collection from Lush. It was created by a Black woman, so I appreciate that. Shout out to you, sis, for looking out for us. I don't know why I'm shaking it like this. I hate the fact that this is a pump. It smells so good. It's a citrusy scent, but like citrusy and sweet at the same time. So as we moisturize our hair, let's talk about the things that I did to help grow my edges. The number one thing is to reduce tension as much as possible. So tight braids, tight styles. I could improve in terms of laying my edges, but that's a story for another day. Second thing, patience. Patience is key. The difference that you're seeing is about 7 months apart, and I think being patient with your hair is essential. And the third thing is keeping my edges moisturized. Honestly, these are the main thing that I do. Of course, there's more things that you can do when it comes to trying to grow your edges. For example, scalp massages. You can make sure that you are consistently rubbing, an oil on your scalp, such as rosemary. But I honestly didn't really do much. I just kind of left my hair alone and protective styling, so that really helped. I know you want to know what I use in terms of products. So I use the Trichosolution line, but I was very sporadic with how often I used it. I wasn't very consistent, so I'm not really sure how much of a difference it actually made. All right, so my hair is done. My hair feels quite good. Because the leave-in is a little bit on the lighter side, I am going to add just a little bit of oil on my ends. Don't tell nobody, just between you and I. The oil that I'll use is the apple and aloe line from KilahCrowns. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. Rub it in my hands and hit just my ends with it, just like that. That's it, that is it. Nothing too crazy. She's moisturized, she feels good. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to keep up with me on a daily basis. Before I leave, I applied to be part of the Sephora squad this year, and I would appreciate your support. If you can take a second to leave a testimonial, I will leave the link down below. It will really help me out. If my content has helped you in any shape, way, or form, consider leaving a testimonial. Thank you in advance, and bye!